Great is Yahuah, and greatly to be praised, in the city of our Yahuah, even upon his holy mountain. Mount Tsiyon, lying northward, is beautiful in elevation. It is the joy of the whole earth, and the city of the great king. Yahuah is known in her palaces for a refuge. For lo, the kings were assembled, they passed by together, they saw it, and so they marveled. They were troubled and hasted away. Fear took hold upon them there, and pain, as of a woman in travail. You break the ships of Tarshiysh with an east wind. As we have heard, so have we seen in the city of Yahuah Tseva'oth, in the city of our Yahuah. Yahuah will establish it forever. Celah. We have thought of your lovingkindness, O Yahuah, in the midst of your temple. According to your name, O Yahuah, so is your praise unto the ends of the earth. Your right hand is full of righteousness. Let Mount Tsiyon rejoice. Let the daughters of Yahudah be glad because of your judgments. Walk about Zion and go round about her. Count the towers thereof. Mark ye well her bulwarks. Consider her palaces, that ye may tell it to the generation following. For this Yahuah is our Elohiym, forever and ever. He will be our guide even unto death. Celah.